How to change location in Telegram. To change your location in Telegram, you can either manually share a different location in a chat or use a GPS spoofing tool. So here is how you can do it. So simply open your Telegram application just like this. Now open the chat where you want to share your location just like this. Now tap onto this icon, attach icon right here, select it. Then here you can find location right here, tap on it. Now from here you can simply send your current location or move the pin manually to select a fake or custom location just like this, and you can see the location has been sent. This method only affects the message you send, so Telegram does not track or broadcast your live location unless you choose to share it. And that's it. This is how you can change location in Telegram. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.